days backlash activity. This is a program started by new educational policy of 2020. Okay. Now the benefits of 10 days backlash activity is to encourage the students to develop skills, and not only that, but also making the students more interested in the academic activities by taking them out of the classroom environment. Okay, so that means education does not happen only inside the class. Yes or no? Education happens in your home, in your school, and outside the school and outside the school compound. That means you can learn so many things besides your textbook contents. Our main topic is creative thinking skills. Use your creativity to make new things. Okay, thinking to be like macro ideas from like even in some kind of creative thinking skills. So in creative thinking skills like topic day, I have selected 2 projects. First project is floral arrangement. So floral arrangement means we are going to use all these flowers to make beautiful bouquets. Bouquets, you know what is a bouquet? Yes, you know, bunch of flowers are called bouquets, right? So we're going to make bouquets under project 1. But first, let me tell you the flowers. This is a rose. What flower is this? Rose. This is a rose. Okay. So rose, I have a white rose and a pink rose here. Okay. This is hydrangea. In common language, we call it as ink flower. Yes, no. Ink flower. Okay. So this is hydrangea. So this flower will come in many colors: pure white, pinkish, a little bit pink, and blue also. Okay, there is blue hydrangea also. These are peonies. Okay, peonies, you can find it in, most commonly you will find it in white and pink. Peonies. These are also roses. Okay, one single rose na. You have 2 petals na. Okay, these are also roses. This is a tulip. Okay, tulip. These are, we are going to use this as fillers. This is baby's breath. Baby's breath. This is a lavender. Okay, this is a lavender. And now coming to the green leaves, this is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus leaves. These are ferns. These are lemon leaves. Okay, lemon. You take a focal flower. Okay, focal flowers choose. Okay. What you need to do is now you build a bouquet around these flowers. It will main focus to do. Okay. So it will do focal flower to do na. First you do hawi. It will surroundings here. Our flowers keep color contrast. You have to clean the flowers. But before that, you have to put the flowers in the water. Okay, flowers come to fresh, especially fresh flowers time. Okay, again yes or no? So it needs water. So after they are properly well conditioned, you take out the flowers and clean it. We can brush hot mess. And petals can be very good, yes or no? These things try to remove it. And see, one of the flowers is broken. Don't use this, okay? Because this will not stay in one place. It's going to move around. So it's messy. So give it a shot. Okay, let's take this. Now, this is our focal flower. Means, main hero do you have. Okay, this is our hero. This is pink, so pink goes well with white, right? So I'm going to put more focal flowers, peonies. I'm going to put peonies. See, yes, because if I give it just pink, it looks incomplete, yes or no? It's not highly yes or no? But if I put white, see, now both the flowers are showing their beauty because the focal flower use contrasting. Pink or white is contrasting, so it adds to the beauty. So don't put much, okay? You agree? You want me to put more? More? Yes. One more? Okay. Look at one more hand. In the middle here. Oh, thank you. Ah. And one thing is, focal flowers can do so ekta line okay? Not up and down. They should be in one line, equal line. Sorry. Gaps, I say yes or no. You see the gaps here. You want to feel blue, feel I'm going to choose this one because blue goes with colors. Is it matching? It's matching, right? So I'm going to do the fillers. It's not spreading nicely. And see, one more thing, when you use a green leaf, you can also use herbs also. Blends, dulce, basil, lemons, okay. And these are herbs. So these herbs you can also use in bouquet. You will get a nice perfume. Okay. So why did I collect lemon leaves? Because lemon has a very fresh kind of smell, as you know. So you can also use lemon leaves. Okay. Don't worry, you can use ferns also. And 10. Use the ferns and the cactus. You see, ferns, you can give it at a side like this, okay, or you can spread it out. Okay, you want to give it, spread it out like this or at the side? Boys, you tell me now. You want to give the ferns at the side or you want to spread it out? Spread it out. Okay. So actually, this flower, without ferns also it looks beautiful. But it's your choice, so I'm putting the ferns. Okay. So, can we remove the ferns? Yes. Because it looks messy, yes or no? Now they look fine. Right? So after that, you are going to do, what is the next step? Wrapping, yes or no? So you will need a wrapping paper for that. Let us use this one. Because these and these one is matches, right? So can you, the back pinchers, can you see? Keep the flowers like this, see. Don't let it cover. Don't cover the whole flower, okay? This is one technique. After this, fold it, and then you bring it here, and fold it. So this is also one way of wrapping it. This is a very simple technique. Okay, so I'll show you once more. Put the flower, put the bouquet, fold it, bring the right side here. On the left side, the same style, but we fold it. Okay. Then this one is now this right and the left doesn't, it's not the same, yes or no? So this is one way of wrapping of the thing. And then what you need to do is you put a ribbon. Finishing touch, you can use the ribbon, okay? This is a very simple. So this is our first bouquet. That was okay. Now I'm going to show you another way of wrapping a bouquet. And then after putting a ribbon, you can, as a finishing touch, you can also put a card, and or you can write a small letter and put it here, okay, for personal touch. Okay? This diagonal style of wrapping is mostly for bouquets which are very long. Okay, like if you are making a bouquet of lilies or orchids, flowers, lamba tariqa. So for those flowers, you can use this diagonal way of wrapping. So after this, fold it. Okay, fold it and just peel and agree. Okay, and then bring it. And the same side. Come here, please. Now once more. Those are. This is also another style. Yes or no? So, showing this one. When you show this, this also adds to the beauty. Yes or no? So, which one do you prefer? The first one or the second? Second one? Yes. Some of you like the first one, right? So, like I said, for diagonal wrapping, these are for bouquets which are very long. And for short bouquets, you can use the first. The first time. Okay, so that brings us to the end of floral arrangement. So main flowers can be tulips,